Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our chemistry class for today. Without wasting much of our time, in the last class, we were able to introduce ourselves into the chemistry, and we define chemistry as a branch of science that deals with the structure and the composition of matter. So today, our topic is matter itself. So we want to discuss about the matter. Under this matter, so we are going to define matter, state of matters, change of state, and lastly, the properties of matter. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define matter and give example of matter, list and describe the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gases, explain the processes involved in the change of states. Likewise, you'll be able to distinguish between the physical and chemical properties of matter. Now, what is matter? So, mo mọ̀ wípé gbogbo yín lẹ ti máa mọ tí a ń pè ní matter because it is part of the topic you learned in your junior secondary school. So if I may ask, what is matter? So I must say matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. So if you say anything that has mass now and occupy space, ohun tó níwọ̀n bá ṣe lè gbé tó sì gba ààyè, so náà ni tí à ń pè ní matter. So look at your surrounding now. Àwọn nǹkan tó bá rí níbẹ̀ tó lè fọ́ touch tó rí physically báyìí tó sì lè gbámú tó sì rí pọ́ gbáàyè, òun là ń pè ní matter. The example of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. So the solid example of solid is desk, book, àwọn ìwé tó mú lọ́wọ́, fún ìwọ gangan tó jókòó fúnra lára rẹ, you are matter. So the example of matter, water, juices, oil. So matter ni àwọn eléyìí. Steam, ooru tó ń rí tí ń jáde, they are also matter. Now, àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó sọ wípé kì í ṣe matter tí a bá ń fìlì wọn, tó sọ wípé we cannot see them, we can see them but we cannot hold them, we just only feel them like light. So light ní ìsìn báyìí ẹ kàn máa wò náà ni, kò gba ààyè kankan, kò níbi kankan tí tó gbà. Heat, kò rọ máa mú sí nǹkan kan yẹn, sórú àwọn yẹn, so they are not the example of matter. Now, state of matter. So matter exists in three states. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa fi kọrin in most of the school. They will say matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gases. So matter exists in three states, three physical states. And that states are, we have solid state, so we have liquid state, and we have gaseous states. So those are the states of matter. And when we say solid, solid ni nǹkan tí a lè gbá mọ́ tí ó dúró ṣinṣin lọ́wọ́ wa, ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá ṣe fi sílẹ̀ náà ó gba ààyè. That's why we say solid has fixed shape and follow. It has a fixed shape and follow. And when we say liquid, ó ní nǹkan tó ṣe wípé a lè fi ẹ̀gbẹ́, a lè hold ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ wa báyìí àfi kó ṣe pa àkọ́kọ́ kó sínú nǹkan kan tó rí pé a lè gbé. So gbé nǹkan, àwọn nǹkan olómi is what they call liquid. That's why the liquid has the shape of the container. Nínú tá a bá dá sí, òun náà ní shape ilé tí ó máa ní. So but it has a volume, so ó láàyè tó lè gbà nígbà tí a bá dá sínú rẹ̀. And when we say gases now, Gases has no fixed shape nor volume. Has no fixed shape nor volume. So kò ní shape kankan, afẹ́fẹ́ tí ń fẹ́ nísinsìnyí tí wọ́n náà rí èéfín tí ń jáde lọ. You see àwọn èéfín yẹn bí sì ń jáde lọ kò ní volume kankan bí sì pọ̀ tó léyìí tó fi lè mẹ́sàn-án rẹ̀ kò sì lè hold díẹ̀ sí ojú kan báyìí. So those are the states of matter. So solid, liquid and gases. Particle theory explanation of matter. Particle theory explanation of states of matter. So àwọn particle tó hold àwọn matter yìí papọ̀ la fẹ́ ṣàlàyé rẹ̀. If you can remember in our definition of chemistry, so we said chemistry is the study of matter and the forces that hold the matter together àti àwọn force tó hold rẹ̀ together. So àwọn particle yìí gangan kí ni àwọn force tó hold rẹ̀ together. So when we say solid now, solid particles are tightly packed in a fixed position with strong force of attraction. Nípa àwọn molecule, àwọn particles tó combine papọ̀ nínú solid, force kan ló hold wọn papọ̀. So force wọn yìí là ń pè ní force of attraction. Ó rí pé tó bá mú chalk lọ́wọ́ ní ìsìn tó bá ń lo òórùn bó ṣe wà lódìdí yẹn náà ní ìsìn olóòrùn sí wẹ́wẹ́, àwọn wẹ́wẹ́ tó ń sìn là ń pè ní particles. Àwọn wẹ́wẹ́ yẹn là ń pè ní particles. So bó ṣe wá wà lójú òtí ìrún yẹn àwọn nǹkan kan ló hold àwọn particle yẹn papọ̀. So yẹn là ń pè ní force of attraction. So they may still call it cohesive force. So cohesive force. So ní ò ní jẹ́ kí àwọn particle nígbà tó bá wà lójú kan kọ́kàn máa mú ká kọ́ máa mú fò ká fẹ́ máa gbé wọn ká. So kò ní hàlá rẹ̀ rárá. So bí ṣe wulẹ̀ kí kó mọ. And this one, they will have low kinetic energy. So kinetic energy ni wípé energy in a move tí nǹkan bá move energy tí ń possess. Torí pé solid particle ojú kan tó bá fi sí ibẹ̀ náà ni ó wà forever. So the kinetic energy is negligible. So only high force of attraction, low kinetic energy. That is why it is vibrated in one position. So solid particle ojú kan tó bá fi sí òun náà ni ó gbọ́dọ̀ vibrate ní ojú kan. Number 2 is liquid. So the particles are close together but can move past one another. They have weaker force of attraction and more kinetic than solid. Ó rí pé wọ́n wò sí liquid omi tá a bá da omi sí ilẹ̀. So tá a bá da omi sílẹ̀ omi ò ní dúró sójú kan. So yóò máa move ká díẹ̀. Torí pé àwọn particle títí ẹ̀ àwọn náà wà packed together ṣùgbọ́n force of attraction títí wọn kò tó ti solid. Tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ti ní weak force of attraction. So yóò máa move bí a bá da mí ní ìsinmi olódó síbi tó bá dà sí ó ti wulẹ̀ kórí yóò kọ́kọ́ move díẹ̀. So force of attraction rẹ̀ ó ti low nìyẹn. So bí force of attraction ti wá ti low, so the kinetic energy is high. So nígbà tó ti move kéékèèké yẹn kinetic energy ṣe kí ni ó ti high. And the last one is gases. The particles of gases are far apart and move randomly. So particle títí gases kò sí nǹkan kan tó tiẹ̀ hold ẹ̀ papọ̀. Tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ibi tí afẹ́fẹ́ ìfín bá ti wà báyìí kọ́kàn máa jáde lọ ọba tí ń rí ọmọ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa kiri ká wọ́n hẹ́ẹ̀dì ọ̀dà ni. So kò tó pé kò sí force kankan tí ó hold ẹ̀. So which means bí ṣe move ó ká yẹn the kinetic energy is high. Change of state of matter now. As we said, matter has 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. So matter can change from one form to another. Ó lè change from one form to another. So láti ibì kan lọ sí ibì kan. So matter lè change bẹ́ẹ̀. So due to the change in temperature, whenever there's change in temperature, bára bá heat rẹ̀ agbẹ́ sínú oòrùn ṣáà gain energy sí, so it can change. Let's take for example ice block. You can hold the ice block. Ice block is a solid. tó bá fi sílẹ̀ ní ìsìn yóò yòrò, so yóò di omi, that is liquid. Tó bá gbé omi yìí tó bá gbé kaná yóò máa di vapour, yóò máa evaporate jáde, so that steam, ooru tí ń jáde látara rẹ̀ yẹn, so it's what they call gas now. So ó lè change anything from solid to liquid to gas. Likewise, gas can come back to become liquid, liquid can become solid. Irú ooru tó ní jáde tó bá gbé kúlọ̀ oúnjẹ rẹ nísìnyí tó bá sí, ó rí pé tó bá ti sí báyìí omi ló máa dà sílẹ̀ ní ibẹ̀. So where do you get that water? Níbo lomi yẹn ti wá? So ooru tó jáde níbi oúnjẹ rẹ òun ló convert padà sí omi, and that water now tó bá padà gbé sínú freezer yóò padà di ice block wẹ́ padà, so which is solid. Now tí nǹkan bá wá move from solid to liquid to gas, a jẹ́ pé there is increase in temperature, ń gain energy, sí temperature rẹ̀ increase sí nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n tí bá move from the gas to liquid to solid, tí move backward like that, a jẹ́ pé the energy is decreasing, the temperature is decreasing. Now, so if you look at the processes there, so náà ni àwọn processes tí àwọn solid máa ń gba di liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid, solid to gas, gas to liquid, liquid to solid. So ó rí pé bí ọ̀nà mẹ́fà àwọn processes yẹn òun máa jẹ́. So the first one, we call it melting. Call it melting. When we say melting, melting is a process whereby solid change to liquid. So nígbà tí solid tí bá ń change sí liquid, á sọ pé nǹkan náà ti ṣe kí ni o ti melt, ó bá first block ní ìsìn ló fi kalẹ̀, ní bá ń yòrò, bó ṣe ń yòrò yẹn, it is melting. So solid change to liquid. Friction yẹn pé o frish rẹ̀, o gbé sínú freezer, bó ṣe máa gbé nǹkan sínú freezer rẹ̀ yẹn. So it's a process whereby liquid change to solid. So process kan ti sọ pé nǹkan bá jẹ́ liquid yóò fi di solid. So when you are freezing it, so freezing is a process whereby liquid change to solid. Number 3 is evaporation. Evaporation is a process whereby liquid change to gas. So nígbà tí liquid rẹ tó bá di gas, á sọ pé ó ń evaporate, ó bá gbé omi nísìnyí, ó bá gbé kaná, ní bá yọ ooru jáde. So bí ṣe ń yọ ooru jáde yẹn ó ń evaporate òun nìyẹn. That is what we mean by evaporation. Condensation. Condensation is a process whereby gases change to liquid. So nígbà tí gas rẹ ti bá ń di liquid, á sọ pé ó ti ń condense. So call it condenser. Orúkọ tó bá wo gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe fi kúlà rẹ ṣàlàyé lẹ́ẹ̀kan, so kúlà rẹ yìí sì yọ condense àwọn oúnjẹ rẹ tó fẹ́ jáde tí ọ̀rá yìí jáde síta, ìdérí kúlà rẹ yọ condense ẹ̀ padà sí liquid. So process whereby gas change to liquid. And the next one is sublimation. Sublimation is a process whereby solid change directly to gas. Process whereby solid change directly to gas. Nǹkan tó jẹ́ solid directly changes gas without passing through the liquid. Tí ò di omi rárá. Example in chemistry term, so we have ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, àwọn physical something tó common lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀tá lè rí bí camphor, àwọn tá a bá ti rí camphor tá a bá fi sínú aṣọ wa báyìí nísìnyí, bí òkúta wà tí lọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́ báyìí lórí. So tí ó fi yòrò tán kò ní dómi, yóò sì máa di afẹ́fẹ́. So by that time say it is sublime.